Good morning. My name is Ana María Yate of the course Valoración y Negociación de Tecnología. Unit Tops SIP 3 of the group 122. My diagram cause effect and problem a little knowledge of valuation methods by technology manages change of process. Competitiveness. Competition rules lack distribution of benefits, methods of valuation inappropriate, economic impact, costs, representation in the value chain, lack valuation models, use of assumptions, cost estimation. Resource relation of the technology with the production process. Lack knowledge in new technology. Identify various options of technology. Lack of the training, internal and external for state. Change of technology. Various model of valuation of technology. Nature of technology. For competition. My recommendation for company. Propose evaluation model for technology inside of company. Realize analysis of the viability of the business related to the two technology implemented and the distribution of benefits. Thank you.